How to simply set up Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to your any device, to your Xbox, to your PS5 or anything you want. So in this video I'm going to show you a setup of it, how you can simply do it easily on any device. To set up it, step 1 is unbox and charge your headset. As you have recently brought it, you simply have to unbox your headset from the new box and the packing. With a USB-C charging cable, plug the headset into a charger using that USB-C cable you got with your device itself. Let it charge fully before the first use for about 2 or 3 hours. Step 2 is connect the wireless transmitter. Plug the USB wireless transmitter into your console or PC. Xbox, use the specific Xbox compatible transmitter. PS5, PS4, use the standard USB-A port. The LED on the transmitter should begin blinking. Step 3 is power on the headset. Now, press and hold the power button until the LED light turns on it. It should automatically pair with the transmitter solid LED that is equals to pair. When you get the solid LED, it means it's paired with the device.
Step 4 will
Now,
be
fourth
clean
is
the fan
set it
blades.
as a
Here,
default
if the
audio
blades
device.
are
Go to your
jammed
PC
with
console
dust or
and
debris,
set
the
Turtle
fan
Beach
won't spin
500
or
as
will
both your
take a
output
speed.
and input
Use
mic
a soft
device.
brush should
Last
simply
and
clean
fifth
it.
step
The
is
water
adjust
wheels
the
also.
setting.
Now check
Use
the
the Turtle
fan
Beach
and
Audio Hub
lock switch if
mobile
applicable.
app
Some models have
to
a child
update the
safety lock
firmware,
or
to
travel lock.
update the firmware or
If there is
anything you
anything
want.
like that, you have
You
to
can
unlock
customize the
it. This is
EQ
how you can do it.
presets,
Thank you.
set mic monitoring and other thing as well. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to it.